Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can add a fingerprint on OPPO Find X6. So first, open settings and then scroll until you see password and security. Now click it, and here you can add a fingerprint by clicking and confirming your lock screen password. Here click OK, and now place your finger on the sensor a couple of times. You need to press it and lift the finger after you feel the vibration. Make sure you unroll everything, including your edges, so the button works. Now click done, and now if we lock our screen, we can unlock it by our fingerprint. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.